So this class we are going to discuss about the main idea in the integration, that is integration by the method of substitution. Let us see, here we have integration of f of y of x into phi dash of x dx. That is the problem we have. Integration of f of phi of x into phi dash of x dx. Then what to do? We have to take the substitution as phi of x is equals to t. Then differentiate both sides. Phi dash of x into dx is equals to dt. Actually, its meaning is we are differentiating both sides with respect to t. That means phi dash of x into dx by dt is equals to 1. That's what we are writing. Phi dash of x into dx is equals to dt. So directly we can write this step. So we are taking phi of x is equals to t, differentiate both sides. Phi dash of x dx is equals to dt. Now because of these substitutions, how this integral changes? F of, in place of phi of x we are writing t, in place of phi dash of x dx we are writing dt. F of t dt. This integration we can find out. So that idea we are going to use in the indefinite integral by the method of substitution. First question is this one, integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. You must have an idea about every differentiation formula. Then only you will get an idea what substitution we have to take. Observe here, 2x by 1 plus x square. If you know the differentiation of 1 plus x square, definitely you will get an idea of what substitution we have to take. Yes, 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. That's why we have to take the substitution as 1 plus x square is equals to t. Its differentiation 2x dx is equals to dt. Now because of this substitution, the question changes as integration of dt divided by, in place of 1 plus x square we have to write t. dt by t is equals to log mod t plus the constant of integration, that is equals to logarithm of mod. In place of t what we have to write? 1 plus x square plus c. Whether we are writing modulus or not writing modulus, no difference. The reason is 1 plus x square is always positive. Integration of 1 by x plus x into log x. Integration of 1 by x plus x log x dx. That we can write it as 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Taken x common. So now what substitution we have to take? We have to know the differentiation of 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x differentiation is 1 by x. That's why we have to take the substitution as 1 plus log x is equals to t. Now its differentiation 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Now because of this substitution, how this question changes? Dx by x. 1 by x into dx. We have to write dt. That's why it becomes dt by, in place of 1 plus log x we have to write t. That is equals to logarithm of mod t plus c. That is equals to logarithm of 1 plus log x plus the constant of integration. So if you observe the earlier problem or the present problem, earlier problem is this one, 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. We got the answer as log of 1 plus x square plus c. And the present problem is 1 by x divided by 1 plus log x dx. So we got the answer as logarithm of 1 plus log x plus the constant of integration. Now observe here. Here we got the answer as log of denominator. Here also we got the answer as log of denominator. So what is the meaning of that? Denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. Denominator differentiation appears in the numerator. We can write the answer as log of denominator. Denominator differentiation appears in the numerator. We can write log of denominator. So that's what we are writing here. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. Denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. We can write the answer as log of denominator, log of mod f of x plus c. Not on this one. Whenever denominator differentiation appears in the numerator, we can write log of denominator. With the help of this, we are going to discuss another formulas, because till now we don't know the integration of tan x. Now we can derive integration of tan x formula. Integration of tan x, what we can write this one as? Multiplying with the secant x, dividing with the secant x. What is the use? Why you are multiplying and dividing, sir? Multiplied with the secant x, divided with the secant x. Secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. That's why denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. That's why we can write log of denominator. That we can also write it as minus log of mod cos x plus c. I hope so everyone followed. Because secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. Cos x whole power minus 1. That minus 1 will come forward. That's why. So tan x integration is log mod secant x, or we can write minus log mod cos x. Next we will discuss another one, integration of cot x. So this is equals to integration of cos x divided by sin x. Cot x we can write it as cos x divided by sin x. Now you can observe here, denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. Denominator differentiation is in the numerator. That's why we can write it as log of denominator. So that is the integration of cot x. But what about integration of secant x and integration of cosecant x? Just we are going to derive the formulas for integration of tan x or secant x. Integration of secant x dx. That is equals to integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x multiplied with the secant x plus tan x divided with the secant x plus tan x. Now the numerator becomes secant square x plus secant x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. Now you can observe denominator differentiation. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. Secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. Denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. That's why we can write logarithm of secant x plus tan x plus the constant of integration. In the similar way, we can derive the integration of cosecant x formula also. Just we'll discuss a few more applications. You see, integration of f dash of x divided by root of f of x. Better to remember as a shortcut techniques for objective exams. F dash of x by root of f of x dx. What I am doing, observe here. I am taking the substitution as f of x is equals to t or t square. You can take t also, or you can take t square also, because it is there inside the square root. Better to take t square. Now differentiate f dash of x dx is equals to 2t dt. Now because of that substitution, how this question changes? In place of f dash of x dx, we have to write 2t dt divided by root of, in place of f of x, we have to write t square. Now t cancel, we will get 2 times integration of dt, that is equals to 2 into t plus c. What is the t? T is nothing but root of f of x plus the constant of integration. So what is the meaning of that? Inside the square root function, differentiation is there in the numerator. Inside the square root function, differentiation is there in the numerator. We can write directly the answer as 2 into root of f of x plus the constant of integration. Next you can see another one. F of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. F of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. So now we have to consider here f of x is equals to t. Its differentiation f dash of x into dx is equals to dt. Because of that substitution, the question changes as t power n into f dash of x dx. We have to write dt. Now t power n integration is t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. What is t? T is nothing but f of x whole to the power of n plus 1. So f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. F of x whole power n, its differentiation is there outside. We can write f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. So now we are going to discuss a few applications based on this one. So the question is like this: integration of sine ax plus b into cos ax plus b. That is the question. Now what I am doing, observe here. I am taking sine of ax plus b is equals to t. Sine of ax plus b is equals to t. Its differentiation cos of ax plus b into inner function differentiation a dx is equals to dt. Therefore, we are getting cos of ax plus b into dx is equals to dt divided by a. Now, because of that substitution, that integration changes as here we have to write t. In place of cos of ax plus b into dx, we have to write dt divided by a. Now that is equals to 1 by a into integration of t dt. That is equals to 1 by a into t square divided by 2 plus the constant of integration. Now that is nothing but 1 by 2a into what is the t? T is nothing but sine ax plus b. That's why we will get the answer as sine square ax plus b plus the constant of integration. Now the same question I want to do it in another way. All of you pay attention here. By the another way also we got the same answer or not, we will check it. So this is the way integration of, I am taking now ax plus b is equals to t. Whenever we are taking ax plus b is equals to t, a into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, we will get dx is equals to 1 by a into dt. The second method I am discussing the same question. Now, because of this substitution, how this question changes? That is sin t into cos t. In place of dx, we have to write dt by a. Now, multiply with 2, divide with 2, then we will get 2 times sin t into cos t dt. That is equals to 1 by 2a into integration of sin 2t that is equals to 1 by 2a into what is the integration of sine 2t? Sine 2t integration is minus cos 2t by inner function differentiation we have to divide. Inner function differentiation we have to divide plus the constant of integration. So we got the answer as here minus 1 by 4a into cos 2 into ax plus b. Sir, here and here we got the different answers. No, both the answers are same. You can modify this answer like this, or you can modify this answer into this form. Just you can check how I am doing modification. That is equals to 1 by 2a into, you know, sin square theta formula. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 plus the constant of integration. That is a sin square theta formula in terms of cos. Now we can write this one as 1 by 4a minus 1 by 4a into cos of 2 times ax plus b plus the constant of integration. Now this is also constant. This is also constant. We can combine both the constants, so we can write the answer as minus 1 by 4a into cos of 2 into ax plus b plus the constant of integration. So here and here we got the same answer. So that's why if the answer we are getting in the difference of constant, no need to worry. So same because of this constant of integration. It's a constant. These also constant. If you combine these two, you will get another constant, right? Right. Observe here. Suppose we want to find out e power ax plus b. E power ax plus b integration we want to find out. So this directly we can write the answer as e to the power of ax plus b by inner function differentiation we have to divide. E power x integration is e power x. E power x integration is e power x. But here x is not there. Ax plus b is there. That function differentiation we have to divide by a plus the constant of integration. The reason why we are getting by a is same by the method of substitution. Take ax plus b is equals to t and then proceed, you will get the same. Suppose you see the problem, another one, integration of cos 3x plus 4 is there. Tell me what is the answer directly. First of all, you have to know what is the integration of cos x. What is integration of cos x? Cos x integration is sin x. Cos x integration is sin x. Inner function differentiation we have to divide plus the constant of integration. Suppose we want to find out integration of secant square 3 minus 4x. So that is equals to, what is the integration of secant square x? Secant square x integration is tan x. So that's why tan 3 minus 4x. Inner function differentiation we have to divide. That's why by minus 4 plus c. You keep it in mind. When we are dividing the inner function differentiation, you have to take care that inner function must be a linear. Otherwise, you see, suppose we have sin of x square is there. Sin of x square is there. So sin x integration I know minus cos x square. Sin x integration is minus cos of x square. Inner function differentiation I will divide. Is wrong. Inner function differentiation I am dividing, sir, is going to be wrong because here inner function is not a linear. Inner function must be linear. So why we are dividing? That is the reason we are taking as a substitution. But if you are taking x square is equals to t, you will get 2x dx is equal to dt. That's why it is not possible. Equation of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 dx. So we can write this one as x cube minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into x power 5 can be written as x cube into x square dx. Now you have to get an idea what substitution we have to take. Yes, we have to take the substitution as x cube minus 1 is equals to t. Now its differentiation 3x square into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, we will get x square into dx is equals to dt by 3. Now, because of this substitution, how this integral changes? In place of x cube minus 1, we have to write t. That's why t power 1 by 3. In place of x cube, we have to write t plus 1. In place of x square, we have to write dt by 3. See, whenever we are taking the substitution means, in place of x cube minus 1, we are taking substitution as a t means the entire integral we have to get in terms of t and dt. We have to get in terms of t and dt. Again, here there is an involvement of x means you are doing wrong. So definitely the entire integral has to change in terms of t and dt. Now we can do it. This is equals to t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 dt. Constant we are writing outside. Now we can do this integration 1 by 3 into t power 4 by 3 integration t power 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t power 1 by 3 integration t power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus the constant of integration. In place of t, what we have to substitute? In place of t, we have to write x cube minus 1. You can see the next question. So x by root over x plus 4 is there. That's why immediately we can take the substitution as x plus 4 is equal to t, or you can take t square because it is there inside the square root. X plus 4 is equal to t square. Now it becomes dx is equals to 2t dt. Now because of these substitutions, how this integral changes? The integral changes as in place of x we have to write t square minus 4. As I told, complete integral we have to change in terms of t. In place of x we have to write t square minus 4 divided by root of t square. In place of dx we have to write 2t dt. Now the problem is over. 2 into integration of t square dt minus 4 into integration of dt. Because root of t square is t, dt cancelled, 2 written outside. Now this is equals to 2 into t square integration is t cube by 3 minus 4 into t plus the constant of integration. In place of t we have to write root of x plus 4. So that's why 2 into root of x plus 4 whole cube by 3 minus 4 into root of x plus 4 plus the constant of integration. Further simplification you can do it by taking root over x plus 4 common. Next question you see e power 2x minus 1 divided by e power 2x plus 1 dx. How to proceed that particular question? First of all, you have to get an idea of e to the power of 2x can be written as e to the power of x by e to the power of minus x. Agree or not? E power 2x can be written in this way. Now the problem changes as e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x divided by e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x dx. Because e power 2x we can write in this way. This if you substitute here, take LCM, we will get this one. So now what we are observing? Directly we can write the answer. Denominator differentiation is in the numerator. That's why we can write log of denominator. Otherwise procedure is this one. E power x plus e power minus x is equals to t. Its differentiation e power x minus e to the power of minus x dx is equals to dt. Depends on the marks, you have to do the procedures. Okay. So now the problem changes as dt divided by t. dt by t integration is log mod t plus the constant of integration, that is equals to logarithm of, in place of t we have to write e power x plus e to the power of minus x plus the constant of integration. Whether you are keeping the modulus or not keeping the modulus, no difference. The reason is this is always positive. Right, we are discussing the next question. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x. Take care while doing this problem. This we can write it as sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. All of you observe here how I am doing the modification. This is equals to integration of, I am writing sin x plus cos x. Next, its differentiation I am writing. Sin x differentiation is cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. All of you observe here. This is the question, because cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. If you take LCM, we will get this one. Now its integration we have to do. For that, what I did, whatever is there in the denominator, I written the denominator. Denominator differentiation also written. Now we have to modify. So cos x extra, we have to get cancel cos x. That's why we have to subtract. Plus cos x minus cos x cancel. Here sin x. That's why plus sin x. Here also plus sin x. That's why we are getting 2 times sin x. But we have only sin x. That's why divide with the 2. So now this simplification we are getting this one only. So we can write this one as 1 by 2 into integration of sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x minus integration of cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Now you can see here cancel 1 by 2 into integration of dx minus, we are multiplying 1 by 2 inside. That's why here also you will get 1 by 2 into cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. You got an idea what to do. Here denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. Whenever denominator differentiation is appearing in the numerator, we can write the answer as log of denominator. That's why this is equals to 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into log of denominator sin x plus cos x plus the constant of integration. That is the way. So immediately you can work out the question. This particular one, 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. Keep the video in pause and try to work out that particular question. Integration of 1 by 1 minus tan x. Same procedure you have to follow. Come on, try that question. So next question is integration of root tan x by sin x into cos x. Observe here how I am doing. This is equals to root of tan x divided by sin x divided by cos x into cos square x dx. I also everyone followed this one. Multiplied with cos x divided with cos x. Now it becomes a tan x. Root tan x by tan x, what we will get? That is equals to secant square x divided by root of tan x dx. If you have an idea, directly you can say the answer, or if you don't have an idea, we have to take the substitution as tan x is equals to t or t square. Take substitution as a tan x is equal to t square, you will get the answer. Otherwise, we discussed this one, integration of f dash of x divided by root of f of x dx. Earlier I discussed this one. Inside the square root function, differentiation is appearing in the numerator. We can write the answer directly as 2 into root of tan x plus the constant of integration. So next you see another question. So this is the question, integration of x plus 1 divided by x into x plus log x whole square. This question also we can say directly the answer. If you don't know the answer directly, the reason is this is f. Its differentiation outside. So we can write the answer directly as x plus log x whole cube divided by 3. This is the discussion we did. F dash of x into f of x whole to the power of n. This function differentiation is there outside. Then we can write the answer as f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. So that is the reason I applied that one directly here. Otherwise, if you are not getting an idea, the same procedure, we have to take x plus log x is equals to t. X differentiation is 1, log x differentiation is 1 by x, dx is equals to dt. Therefore, we will get x plus 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Now the question changes as this becomes t square, because here we written x plus log x is equals to t, that's why t square. X plus 1 by x dx we can write dt. Now t square integration is t cube by 3 plus the constant of integration. Now t is nothing but x plus log x whole cube divided by 3 plus the constant of integration. Next you see, this is the particular question given there. X cube into sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus x power 8. I hope so everyone know the differentiation of tan inverse x. That's why I am taking the substitution as tan inverse x power 4 is equals to t. Tan inverse x power 4 is equals to t. Its differentiation. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square into inner function differentiation 4x cube dx is equals to dt. Now the question changes as x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 into dx is equals to dt divided by 4. Now this is equals to sine t, this part is becoming t, sine t x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 dx is becoming dt divided by 4. That is equals to 1 by 4 into integration of sine t. Now you know sine t integration is minus cos t plus the constant of integration. That is equals to minus 1 by 4 into cos. What is a t? T is nothing but tan inverse of x to the power of 4 plus the constant of integration. See another question here. 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx. That is the question. Integration of 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx. Then how to do this one? 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now separate it. Sin square x cancel. That's why 1 by cos square x we can write secant square x plus cos square x cancel. 1 by sin square x we have to write cosecant square x dx. Now the problem is over. Integration of secant square x we can write tan x plus cosecant square x integration is minus cot x plus the constant of integration. See another question here. Integration of x plus 1 into e to the power of x divided by cos square x into e to the power of x dx is there. Integration of x plus 1 into e power x by cos square x into e power x dx. How to do this question? Let us take the substitution as x into e power x is equals to t. Now you know the differentiation by u-v rule. X into e power x differentiation e power x plus e power x into x differentiation 1 into dx is equals to dt. Now the entire numerator is becoming dt. So the question changes as dt divided by cos square t, that is equals to integration of secant square t dt. Now that is equals to secant square t integration is tan t plus c. Now in place of t what we have write? X into e to the power of x plus the constant of integration. So I hope so everyone know what is the differentiation of mod x. Mod x differentiation. Differentiation of mod x is equals to mod x divided by x. Mod x differentiation is mod x by x. That's no doubt. It is not defined when x is equal to 0. Leave it. So differentiation of mod x is equal to mod x by x. That's why what we can write? Integration of mod x by x dx is equals to mod x plus c. Now if x is not equal to 0 case, what is this function? This function is a signum function. That's why we can write integration of signum function, signum of x is equals to mod x plus c. We can write integration of signum of x is equal to mod x plus c. So that is about the discussion regarding integration by the method of substitution. So you have to practice a good number of problems on integration. Next we are going to discuss about the trigonometric formulas, how to use in integration, and then we are going to discuss about special integrals, and then the main idea integration by parts. So up to this particular idea you can expect this week exam in objective syllabus. So that's why integration by parts and special integrals. Next we are going to discuss integration by using trigonometric formulas. Okay, thank you. Bye.